Hello and welcome once again to this channel. So in today's video, we're going to go through the question 14 of the WAEC 2025 objective questions. So we're going to solve this question right now and get the solution out of these options we're given. We're given that write 0.0364891 in three significant figures and express the answer in standard form. Option A is 3.65 times 10 to the power of 2. Option B is 3.64 times 10 to the power of 2. Option C is 3.64 times 10 to the power of negative 2. Option D is 3.65 times 10 to the power of negative 2. Okay, so let's first write out this number before we go about solving it. So we have it as 0.0364891. Okay, so the first thing is about significant figures. So when working with significant figures or when trying to find significant figures or numbers in a set of digits, what you're going to go is, or what you're going to do is go from left to right and actually find the first non-zero number. So in this case right now, if I'm going from left to right, I'm seeing this is a number which is zero. I'm not looking for that one. And then this is the other one which is zero. This is actually three, which is actually non-zero. So I'm going to start from here. And then I'm going to move to the right. I'm going to move this way. So in this case now, since I'm looking for three significant figures, I'm going to now look for three numbers starting from this three we have here and then going to the right. So the numbers are 3, 6, 4 in this case. So you're going to have it as 0.0364. Now, the next thing you're going to look out for is the number after this 4 in this particular case. Now, if the number is between 0 to 4, you're going to round down, meaning that that number is going to be seen as 0. Now, if the number is between 5 to 9, you're going to round up, meaning you're going to see the number as 1. And so whatever number you're doing here is actually going to be used to add up to this number. So in this case now, this number we have to the right of 4 is 8, so which is between 5 and 9. I'm going to round up, right? Meaning I'm going to add 1 to this number. So that means I'm going to have my significant figures to be 0.036. In this case, 4 plus 1 is going to be 5. Okay, so these three significant figures we have in this particular case right now is 0.0365. The next thing they're asked to do is to express the answer in standard form. I'm going to now move this decimal point from here to the right up until I get a number between 1 and 10. So if I move this way, I'm going to have 0.365. If I move this way, now I'm going to have 3.65, right? So 3 is the number between 1 and 10. So I'm going to stop there. I'm going to have it as 3.65 times 10, right? Then I'm going to now look out for how did I move? I move to the right. If I move to the right, now I'm going to have a negative index here. Then how many times did I move? I moved the decimal from here one decimal place, here two decimal place. I'm going to have it to be negative 2. So that means the number expressed in standard form is going to be 3.65 times 10 to the power of negative 2, which is option D. Okay, so based on what we learned in this video now, here's an actually question for you to solve. So here is write 0.072568 in three significant figures and express the answer in standard form. Option A is 7.26 times 10 to the power of negative 2. Option B is 7.25 times 10 to the power of negative 2. Option C is 7.26 times 10 to the power of 2. Option D is 7.25 times 10 to the power of 2. Okay, so solve this question and give me the answers in the comment section. If you like this video, help me subscribe to this channel, share this video to your colleagues so that you can also learn from this video. Without much further ado, I'll leave it to it that math is easy. Do have a nice day. Thank you.